Hello guys, I just want to share some thoughts on AirPods Pro 3. So I've been contemplating whether I retain this AirPods Pro 3 or and get the Power with ANC. Because as you can see, this one is uncomfortable, especially I have a small ear. The ear tip digs in my ear canal, that's why it's uncomfortable. But I will tell you the solution to that and I decided to still retain this and opted for AirPods Pro 3. As you can see, AirPods Pro 3 has a lot of advantage over the 4 with ANC. The only thing that's advantage on 4 with ANC is the comfort, because all of these are useless if the product is uncomfortable. Security, what I mean by security is that the Pro 3 is a lot harder to wiggle out on your ear, especially if you are doing some exercise and doing the daily commute. This thing is a bit expensive to lose. And the ANC is very nice. Apple's claiming it's the best ANC for in-ear. The bass is also nice because it has a passive. The ear tip has a passive. I mean, passive ANC. Also, the mic is nice. So what I did to combat this uncomfortability of the Pro 3, whenever I am at home, I just remove the tip. It has a bit of protrusion, but it doesn't touch the my ear canal. That's why I can have both comfort and the advantages of Pro 3. So for me, I decided to retain the Pro 3. That's it. Thank you for watching my video.